Hey everyone, this is Caroline and I am here with my special guest, my husband. He has graciously agreed to do this hack. This product here claims to be the world's most painful mask. I'm thinking it's like those Biore strips that people use on their noses, and it's supposed to clean out your whiteheads, your blackheads, and really clean out your pores. We are gonna go ahead and attach close-up videos, very close and personal, of our faces. This product is called the Pore Cleanup Mask. You should be really concerned when you turn the box around and it's in a different language. Or I think it's Korean.
It looks Korean.
How-to instructions.
After cleansing, use steam to well or sheet to open your pores and apply mask to your nose and around nose. Then peel off slowly after 15 minutes and remove the
He's never watched a video of this, and I actually saw like the beginning parts of it and I didn't see them doing that. We're gonna go ahead and cleanse our faces, and then we're gonna come back with warm towels and leave it on our faces. Then we'll remove the towel on video, and then we will put this product on our faces. It's basically a warm towel opening up our pores. I think that's gonna be close enough to their instructions. So we are gonna be right back. Bye. So the reason why I asked him to do this mask, it's supposed to be so painful. Honestly, I don't care about the pain. You can see by the close-ups that I have horrible, very dirty, ugly pores. So I don't care if this thing, most painful thing in the world, I want it to clean my pores. And so he asked me a good question. He's like, is it like wax or something? It's not wax. So I'm kind of like, I know you guys have all seen the spicy noodle challenge, and I said that, but honestly, this stuff is like a little bit of plastic on your face. Like, how bad can it possibly be? Fully cleansed faces. I boiled some water, and my husband was like, okay, we're not supposed to burn our faces. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna use these hot towels. I don't know, we should leave it on there for a few minutes. Go ahead and put that on your face while I open the box. I have not even opened the box. I will put a link below if you are curious and want to try this out for yourself. Okay.
Like this?
Yeah, just leave it there.
Okay.
So this is what the bottle looks like. It's kind of cute. It's kind of funny. It's like a big pig with horns on, and it got like these little raindrops that I guess are supposed to be blackheads, and they're swimming off of a nostril. Kind of crazy. Leave this on. Ooh. Put it against your face, honey.
It is against my face.
No, I mean with your hands.
Yeah, I need to put it, I guess I need to put it in the bowl again.
Okay, go ahead. Dry it off, your face off.
That actually felt good.
Yeah, it did. Actually felt really good. Okay. Of course it has this, and ooh. Put some on your finger. Try to get it a good thick amount. Oh, so what does it feel like?
So we don't use like gloves or anything?
No, you just use your hands. Go ahead.
You go first. Let me see how you do.
Oh, wow. It's really thick.
So
okay.
Which part of our face are we doing?
Your whole face.
Dude, you see I have a beard, so...
Oh, yeah. Don't do it on your beard. Here, let me do mine first.
Yeah.
Then you do yours, and we'll still... It says, wow, this stuff is I hope this shows. This is super thick. Dude,
no wax.
It's like wax. I know. That's what I get for saying it's not like wax. It feels super thick, like wax.
You sure you're gonna have enough for both of us?
Yeah.
Maybe we'll just do yours.
No, we're gonna do both. I'm not gonna put it on my eyes, so I'm gonna do your face.
So you're done?
I think so. On the phone.
Why does it smell like
Oh yeah, That's good. It definitely has a scent to it.
It smells like glue.
No, it doesn't have a smell like glue.
It's glue with like some kind of color paste.
And it didn't say how to apply it. It just showed them putting it on with their hands. So that's how I'm gonna do it. Super thick. Like I did not expect it to be this thick.
It's a little cold.
Actually, yeah, it feels like now it has like that, not as cold as mint, right? But it does have like a chilling feeling on it. Yeah, so it feels very cool on the faces. Feels nice, but we're gonna start our 15 minutes.
Yeah, I don't see how you're gonna be able to pull this stuff out.
I wonder if we did it too thick. The thing is, because the darn thing doesn't even have any real instructions. It's in some different language, and neither one of us really watched anyone do this. We just caught my eye that it's the most painful, so I highly doubt that, but I'm really, really hoping that it's gonna take some pores off, which that is the funnest part. I will definitely do a close-up of the mask so you guys can see all the nasty pores, because I know I am not the only one that enjoys things like that. So our timer is going. Okay, so we will be back in 15 minutes. Bye. So it's been 15 minutes, and basically we put too much dang mask on. All of a sudden really, really tight. In order for it to work, we need to wait a much longer time because we didn't apply it correctly. For some reason, we're not good in the detail area. First of all, this stuff wasn't even in English. So if that helps any, we're kind of just going on the fly with this. What are you feeling right now after 15? Is it feeling really dry though? Around my mouth is really...
Yeah, around the top of my top lip is well, that's where it's
Are you nervous about the hair?
Not nervous, but I'm wondering what it's gonna be like.
I just don't think this is gonna be painful, and I don't know who named it the most painful mask. It's a lie. It's basically a lie. But this stuff better pull at least 10 to 15 to 20 blackheads out of my nose, or it's gonna get a big 0 for me. All right, we're gonna wait another...
Should I take this little piece?
No. 15 to 20 minutes to see if this stuff is gonna dry on, because we basically put too much on. See you in 10 to 15 minutes. Bye. Deuces. Okay, everyone, our faces are fully dry. Probably 45 minutes. The thing said 15 minutes. That's because we did it wrong. Welcome to our channel. Anyways, let's go ahead and start peeling. See, I'm already taking the bottom off. Nothing. Feel nothing.
I don't
No.
really feel anything.
You don't feel like I told you? Maybe because we did it too thick, but it shouldn't. There's like no kind of pain. These people on YouTube exaggerate. There is no kind of pain. Oh, these people better see some blackheads, man. That's all I gotta say. Is yours hurting?
Because you got it on my nose. The
This is...
inside of my nose.
Oh yeah, that might hurt.
Ouch.
There's no pain at all. Feels good. I like tearing stuff off. So. Ooh, makes my skin look super nice though. Ooh, kind of pretty. It stinks, huh?
What?
The stuff now.
Oh, yours?
On my hair. That kind of hurts, but so I wouldn't even count that. Mm.
Ouch.
Ouch. Ouch.
It does clear your skin though.
Yeah, it does clean. It's definitely cleaning. I feel like it's. Please do some stuff on my nose, please, please. Look at your thing to see if it really cleans some stuff off your skin. Ow.
I really don't know what that means.
Y'all, this stuff is lame.
It does clear your skin.
Dude, you remember how I said I just want 10 blackheads? I'm not joking, dude. There's one blackhead. I just asked for 10. Is that a lot to ask for?
Well,
no,
that's
people,
because
it
you did
ain't.
it wrong.
No. That's so upsetting. There's no way to really show it. It's like one blackhead, people. Final thoughts, totally painless, not even like plucking your brows or waxing. I'm going to try it again with a very thin layer. This right here is garbage. I'm sorry. Product is garbage. One blackhead. People, a Biore strip is going to give you more than that. So, very, very disappointing. I'm looking all major crazy, but I am so disappointed. Like, I feel like I always give honest reviews, but I try to be kind about it. But serious, this is garbage. So upsetting. This stuff got one nose pore. Do not buy this product. This trying it out, the whole painful thing is a lie. Anyways, please subscribe to this channel if you are looking forward to honest reviews, being honest about different hacks that are floating around YouTube. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm so disappointed right now. I can't even tell you how disappointed I am. Don't forget to click the subscription button and the bell so that you are updated on any new videos that we create. Sucks. Thumbs down, babe. Bye.